It's not easy to determine which optical components partner is the best fit for your business. These critical components are at the heart of your platform and drives the direction and rate of your network's evolution. It's important to make the right choice. Leading network operators in Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America demand reliability, competitive pricing, world-class quality, and fast delivery. From manufacturing to distribution, we're dedicated to support your network with world-class quality components that take advantage of the latest in speed and power savings for all of your data, video, voice, and internet business strategies. But Formerica Optoelectronics is more than that. We believe that evolution is the guiding principle of growth, so our product performance must keep pace with your network. That's serious thinking. And when combined with Formerica's service and support, it's what separates us from all the others out there. We know you're responsible to your customers. Rely on us to be responsible to you.